The MSc in Advanced Coaching and Strength and Conditioning at the University of South Wales is all about developing good coaches, about developing coaches who are competent in all of the key skills that they need to become good technical deliverers. It's an advanced coaching program, which means it's about making the right decisions, it's about profiling things in the right way, and actually being able to work with people versus purely from a theoretical perspective. The program is a blended learning program, so it allows you time to be out in the real world coaching, work in your own day-to-day life, but then study in your around your flexible methods. Facilities are great. It's probably one of the best strength and conditioning suites in the country. We have a barn outside, allows us to combine both things in the gym, in a weight room environment, and things out on pitch. As a strength and conditioning coach, you should be confident and qualified to work with athletes from any different sport and any age and any kind of performance level. The careers are really broad, so you can use your skills at the elite level all the way down to after school clubs, or whether you want to take employment within some kind of organization. You need to be able to think in more detail, critically analyze things. That is ultimately the coaching process. The program here is optimally set up to develop those skills.